Yeah, I will talk today a bit about ITEC and our new XG Alpha tool that is we developed the last year for the latest tool for doing mass transfer with the use of lasers. So I tell a little bit first about ITEC. We are from the Philips organization, so already a long history of die bonding equipment. And since 4 years, we are now an independent company that sells die bond equipment, mostly for semiconductor and RFID markets, but also a little bit of mini-LED and micro-LED. So my name is Jasper Wesselingh. I work in the innovation department, so we're working on new technologies with regard to chip assembly. I will tell a little bit more about our company. So we have a worldwide network of sales and support. Most of our systems are located in Southeast Asia, but also we have several systems all around the rest of the world, mostly in the RFID markets. Our company roadmap, we are working on the next generation of chip assembly, and here we always look for synergies with different markets. So we look not only at micro-LED, but also mini-LED, RFID, and semiconductor, because that's our heritage. But we like to make a platform that can handle various types of components. So every customer has a specific solution to meet their chip assembly challenge. So what we are mainly working on, we have 6 main topics. So semiconductor power, where we go to very thin wafers and relatively large dies. We have a lot of business in RFID semiconductors, so where we assemble RFID tags. So on the web instead of a typical substrate. We're also building a panel level die bonder so that we can bond panels or wafers for a heterogeneous integration. And then, of course, we are active in the mini-LED market, so for signage and display applications. And we are exploring the micro-LED market to see what the opportunities are there. And finally, we are also investigating photonics chiplets, so integrating photonic chiplets on wafers. And we do this in a subsidies program. It's of the Dutch government, the Next Gen ITEC program, and that helps us to cover some of the R&D cost. And within this program, we wanted to develop our next generation die bonding equipment, which we will call the XG platform. And the first step we did was to build an XG Alpha tool for customer sample making, because we go from typical mechanical processes with vacuum tools and needles to laser-based processes, which I will explain in a bit more detail. So for our laser-based assembly technology, we rely on the process technology developed by the Holst Center in the Netherlands. And they have 2 main processes. So one is a lift process for printing interconnect materials, so glue, solder paste, and flux or other types of adhesives that keep the components on the substrate. And in the second step, with the same laser, they do a component transfer to place chips on top of the interconnect material to make the functional device. And this is a very high-speed printing technology and transfer technology, and also quite flexible with respect to repitching. And of course, it's non-contact and can also be used to very selectively transfer dies with the use of the laser. So just to give you a quick overview of how the process works. There's a small movie. So they have a cavity plate which they fill with it. So this is the main process. And what is important is, of course, a fast and process and a homogeneous illumination. And on the right, you can see a snapshot of a droplet flying through the air. typically it flies only 50 to 100 microns, but for visualization here it flies further. But within microseconds, it's released, and